What's the meaning of colonnaded? Colonnaded. Colonnaded.
Colonnaded. Colonnaded. Colonnaded refers to a building or structure that has a series of columns supporting a roof or porch. These columns are typically arranged in rows and create a covered walkway or portico. The result of having a colonnaded building or structure is a sense of grandeur and elegance. The columns themselves can be ornately decorated and add visual interest to the overall design. The covered walkway or porch provides shelter from the elements, making it a popular architectural style for both practical and aesthetic reasons. Overall, a colonnaded structure adds a touch of sophistication and classical style to its surroundings.